Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Deen Path Studio. Today I have a very special story for you. In a small town, there lived a man named Ahmed who owned a quiet hardware store. He was a man of quiet habits, but his heart was filled with a great secret. During the holy month of Ramadan, Ahmed became a shadow of mercy. He followed a rule: let not your left hand know what your right hand gives. Every night, he walked through the dark streets to help those in need. He would slide money under the doors of widows and orphans. He would visit the grocery store to pay off the debt of people he didn't even know. Keep my name a secret, he would tell the shopkeeper. He wanted his good deeds to stay only between him and his creator. Ahmed believed that every good deed is multiplied by 70 times in this holy month. But one hot afternoon, disaster walked into his hardware store. A legal folder was placed on his counter, and the air in the room turned cold. A predatory lawsuit claimed that the land under his shop was not his. He was ordered to pay a massive fine in 24 hours or lose everything. Ahmed was terrified. He did not have that much money. He picked up the phone to call his wealthy business associates for help. But the friends he had helped for years suddenly stopped answering. His cousins and relatives were suddenly too busy to help him. Every door he knocked on was shut in his face. Ahmed realized that in his hardest time, the world has turned his back on him. As the sun began to set, signaling iftar, Ahmed sat in total silence. He broke his fast with a single date, feeling abandoned by the world. He knew that by tomorrow he would be in a prison cell. But then he remembered that Allah is the best of planners. He stood up and began to pray the night prayer, Tahajjud. He poured his heart out in dua, crying for the help from the Allah. Oh Allah, I have no one but you, he whispered. He spent his entire night in prayer, leaving his worry with the Allah. As the night passed, a strange peace descended upon the house. The morning sun began to rise, the final day of his freedom. A high-ranking official arrived at his shop just as the deadline passed. Ahmed expected to see handcuffs, but the man brought a signed document. Your land is safe, Mr. Ahmed. The case has been dismissed. The official smiled. Ahmed could not believe his ears. How is that possible? The official said, our clerk Bilal recognized your name immediately. He worked all night digging through 40 years old record to prove your innocence. Ahmed looked at Bilal in shock and asked, why did you do this? Do I even know you? Bilal walked forward and showed Ahmed an old jealousy. 10 years ago, you saved my family during Ramadan when we were starving. I never saw your face, but I saw your signature. I knew I had to save you. Ahmed realized that his secret charity had been his true protector all along. Charity does not decrease wealth, it builds a bridge for you when the world goes dark. Bilal did not just save a shop that day, he showed Ahmed that a seed of kindness planted 10 years ago can grow into a forest of protection when you need it most. This Ramadan, giving secret, you never know what act of kindness will save you tomorrow. A good story is like a seed of kindness. If this story touched your heart, please subscribe to join our journey of faith.